How to create customer price list in Businet. Users can create customer price lists by uploading defined Excel templates, or they can create it manually. In case of creating the price list manually, users need to define the price list name and its validity. Users can also replicate the price list from another price list available in the system. Further, users need to add the items with its price and discount structure. After the selection of items, they need to map the price list with the price group so that this particular price list will be valid for that particular group. Users can also generate the PDF print of the price list. Thank you. For more details or queries, please contact Businet team